So, look what we got here. Hmm, have you ever seen this? Yep, you may be wondering what it is. It is sorrel. Yes, this is the white sorrel. It's it is one unique sorrel. Yes, hibiscus, as the Spanish calls it. That's sorrel. Yes, this is the white one. I don't remember having this one before, but definitely would love to try. So yep, this is sorrel. And remember, sorrel has a lot of health benefits. So this is the white sorrel. And here, yes, thanks to my husband bringing it to my attention. Thank you, David. Yes, very, very observant. So this is the white sorrel. Yeah, and he says it tastes just as the red one. So definitely gonna try it. I don't have my clipper to clip it off. Yeah, but there it is. Definitely gonna try it and see the difference. I will tell you about it. So yes, this is the white sorrel. Yeah, white sorrel. I wonder what other name it has. Yeah, looking forward to drinking it and to see the difference with the red one. Yep, enjoy. Happy holidays to you and your family. Have a healthy and prosperous 2023. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.